With just about 3 days to go for Diwali, the question on everyone's mind is whether this year's celebration of the beloved festival will include firecrackers. The Supreme Court has once again clarified that only green crackers will be allowed to be burst and only in areas where the air quality is at a level that is moderate or good. Remember, in Delhi NCR, all crackers, including green crackers, have been banned. There can be no manufacture, storage, transport or sale or use of firecrackers, considering that Delhi's air quality is already at a poor level. The Apex Court held a special bench hearing today, that is Monday, against a Calcutta High Court order which had completely banned crackers in the state of West Bengal. The court has said that green crackers can be permitted, but has once again noted that the mechanism for identifying crackers as green crackers and ensuring that only those crackers are in fact being sold and burst in the market is still unclear, and it is for the states to ensure that the mechanisms for identification of these crackers are put in place. The issue now remains whether the state of West Bengal will certify green crackers and therefore allow people to burst crackers on the beloved festival of Diwali. Across the country, the same guidelines have been applied since last year. Only green crackers can be burst, and even then, in areas which have moderate, poor or extremely bad quality air, the district administration can complete ban on crackers even for this beloved festival of Diwali. Across the country, this debate is raging on environmental concerns, air quality and the demands of this festival. But the Apex Court has made one thing clear: only green crackers will be permitted in this country. And the issue is, are manufacturers even making green crackers? Before the Apex Court, a report of the CBI has made it clear that several cracker manufacturers, including big companies which supply lakhs of crackers across the country, are not in fact following the guidelines. Tons of barium compounds have been found, and the crackers that are being sold with the sticker of green cracker are not actually the low pollution green crackers that they ought to be manufacturing. It is now a question of why these companies continue to violate the law, why these companies are still causing pollution and making these pollution causing crackers.